How to promote your Instagram account. Hi, I'm Grace, and for today's video, I will show you how to promote your Instagram account. Before we get started, if you are new to our channel, please make sure to hit like and subscribe to be updated for our new releases. And without further ado, let's get into it. Step 1. Make sure you have an Instagram business account. Before you start attracting more people into your Instagram account, make sure your Instagram account is that of a business profile. Step 2. Put your attention on information that is focused on individuals. Selfies' popularity on Instagram, as well as consumer photos and images of individuals using items in the actual life, speak for itself. The ability for businesses to advertise on Instagram in a more humane manner without inundating followers with messages that scream "buy now" is much more palatable to the masses. Step 3. Prioritize engagement. Consumers like to feel heard, so the more you engage back with their comments, the more comments and exposure you will get. But don't just be reactive with your engagement, proactively like and comment on the posts of your supporters and follow them back. Step 4. Always use hashtags. When it comes to promoting your Instagram account, hashtags are essential. Use relevant hashtags in your posts and stories to help your account stand out. And by relevant, I mean location-based hashtags, industry-specific hashtags, and popular hashtags. Step 5. Take advantage of a trend. Putting out tasteful and quality posts about trending topics will likely result in your followers reposting on their networks, expanding your reach even further, and helping to solidify your brand's core values. And that's it! That is how you promote your Instagram account. We hope this video is helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to smash that like button and hit subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. If you have any questions or topics you would like us to cover, please make sure to leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching!